so I'm getting ready to go into the boutique. I have an outfit from Gracie J's on. Isn't this cute? I hope you can look at this. Isn't it so adorable? I love it so much. And I'm feeling like a slick back pony scenario, so we're gonna see if we can do that. I have a Vivica Fox wig. I think it's Cindra. It is a human hair blend. It's long, and we'll see what we can do. Oh, this is a good time. A lot of you like want to see my arm and back tattoos, and I don't wear clothes that show them very often. So this is my full arm tattoos. What? Is what it is. And then these are my back tattoos. So this is what she looks like. She's long, she's pretty. So I'm just going to run my comb through her, starting at the bottom and working up. She's not really tangled too much, but I did just drop her on the floor, so yeah now. All right, so this is what it just looks like in general. And I really want to do like a slick scenario, like I said, like this maybe, and we'll see how that looks. So I'm just going to use water. This is like an Evian spray. I don't even know how much is left. There's not a lot left in here, but I'm just going to spray the edges. And then we will slick her back. I'm using that Renee Paris wooden wig brush from my website, tmwigs.com. tmwigs.com. I've been actually wearing like less eyeshadow, colored eyeshadow. You know, I'm really known for that. I'm going to take my rat tail comb. Also, you can get this on my website. The one I have is from Wig Guru, which I really, really like. To get these sides down. Yeah, and use the tail part. All right, and then, hey. I'm going to spray, because I do not want any rogue hairs. I'm using the Protect and Hold spray from Renee Paris. This is like the little travel size version. The Protect and Hold spray is a thicker hold. Like I usually use, you can already see, it's like, I usually use the wig wax from Tresseler, but I don't have that here. I gotta bring some of that home now that I've been doing more videos while I get ready. It's like old school. When I get ready for work, I'm doing these videos. I used to more do the wigs once I got to the boutique, but we're not doing that right now. All right, I'm gonna tuck this behind my ear and then just pull a little bit out like that so that it hides any of the cap. I like how the Protect and Hold spray holds. I do not like how it smells, like at all. Very sensitive to smell, and I just don't enjoy it that much. You always want to pull down the bottom of the ponytail so that your cap doesn't show. Getting my new other glam light. This is the Nightmare on Elm Street. This one's real fancy. Hey. So I'm gonna get close so I can see. Yes, I just want to pull it enough so that we're not gonna see the cap. Yep, like it. Okay, we need two things. I'm gonna spray some more, and I'm going to get my rat tail comb and just get these edges down and like I want them. And then I'm gonna get some powder for the part just to make it a little look a little more natural, and then we'll be done. All right, this is out of my blending kit. You can get this on my website. I'm using like old powder foundation. Like this is legitimately 10 years old, so I would never want to use it on my face, but it's perfect to use in the part. This is like a Laura Geller Baked and Balanced Brighten. I mean, I love it. I love these things. This is a Too Faced pressed cocoa powder. I don't even know if they make this foundation. I like foundations as opposed to just powders. I feel like they stick better, but I just use them for the part because it's not going on your skin or whatever, so why not? All right, we're just going to do all of this. I have a little extra spray on my hand, so I'm just running it through here. So there you go. That is what I have for the slick back pony with this wig. I like it. And I got a lot to do today, so let's get to it. You know what? I might pull out. Let's pull down just a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, I don't mind it being messy right around the ears here. There we go. Yeah, that looks a little more natural for me. If I had time, I'd actually create sideburns on it and I probably will wear it more like this. So if I do this again, I will make another one where I make the sideburns. But it's good for now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't liked this video, do it. And if there's any of these type of get ready with me scenario wig things that you want me to make, then go ahead and put that down below in the comments. And I'll see you soon. This is all the last minute nonsense that I do that normally I would just not show you, but I'm going to show you. So I'm going to pull a little bit down because it is pushing my ear on the one side. Yep. Bye.